This video is all about the cleaning essentials you need in your apartment and all the cleaning products I swear by for cleaning my first apartment.
I'm Sophia Lee. I'm a recent college graduate who is obsessed with turning her first apartment into a home. I'm taking you along with me and showing you my best decorating ideas, organization tips, and cleaning hacks so that you can make your apartment look Pinterest perfect while sticking to a budget. I'm here to help you turn your apartment into a place you will love.
So I'm a clean freak through and through. I love when my apartment's clean. I just feel so much better. And I got weirdly excited when I was moving into my first apartment, thinking about all the different cleaning essentials that I would need to get and like going to Target and buying them. It was sadly, or I don't know, it's just weird, one of my highlights of moving. So I'm gonna be showing you all the different cleaning products that I recommend and love, and we're gonna be going room to room, basically preparing you to clean up any mess that is thrown your way. And then I also have a free cleaning guide that you can put on your fridge, and it's basically like a cleaning schedule and also going through just like the main products that you're gonna need for cleaning your apartment. And that way you'll know the different, or really it's what I do, but what I clean every single week, every month, and then every 6 months. So then you go like the basic cleaning, a little deeper cleaning, and then like the really, really deep cleaning, just so you can make sure that you are always hitting all of your cleaning routines that you need to hit and that your apartment stays really clean. So that link will be in the down bar. Now let's get into my must-have, life-changing, favorite cleaning products. The first thing that we're gonna cover is the main cleaning essentials. So these are the products that I use throughout my entire apartment, and they can't really be labeled to a certain room or area. So first up, we have my vacuum, and holy crap, is this vacuum amazing, but it seriously might be the cost of your monthly rent. It is so expensive. I got it as a gift. I maybe would have bought it for myself if I like saved up, but it is awesome. And I especially love this vacuum for my apartment because it doesn't have a cord, it's really light, and it's just like perfect for an apartment. I won't really want something bulky, but I mean, you can do whatever you want. And I'm sure there are a ton of cheaper versions of this. So moral of all of that is that you need a vacuum. If you're looking at getting this one, I highly recommend it. And I believe that I got it as a gift from Costco. Like Costco didn't send it to me, my boyfriend's parents got it for me, but I think they got a good deal on it at Costco. Next up, we have something to clean the floors with. So I found this from Target, and I didn't really go in looking for it. It's good. It's not the best thing in the world. I like it. It's fine. It was $20, and this sprays out water, or not water, it sprays out the cleaner. The only issue with this is that this cleaner is really expensive. So what I'm planning on doing, this just ran out, so I haven't actually done this yet, but I am just going to make a homemade cleaner in here, or use, I wonder if I can open this to do it. Now I'm thinking I can't even do that. Uh-oh, okay, well this might not work out as I thought. What I was gonna do is just refill this with my own homemade cleaner or a cheaper brand, and then just stick it back in here. But now I'm wondering if that doesn't work. So this is good. And that's just what I clean my floors with. And I have a linoleum flooring, not real wood, it's the fake wood stuff. And then I dust with this thing. This is just a Swiffer duster. I love it. I clearly need a new cover. My hair is all over it. But I love this because I'm so dang short, and this can stretch so big that I can get all of the different places. Hopefully you can't hear that person weed whacking outside. I'm sorry if you do, but I really do love this. I will just literally put this over all of my walls, all my molding, my fans and stuff. It's really nice, like I said, especially if you're short, because it can stretch so much. And then lastly, I think there's one more. No, there's not. Okay, this is it. There is another one I'll be popping back on here in 2 seconds. Are these microfiber cloths. I use microfiber cloths all of the time, cleaning for literally everything, and I just buy a huge set from Amazon for like $11, and I think I got like 25 of them. They are awesome. I use them to clean everything from my counters. I used to use them to clean in my bathroom, but now I just use paper towels so that it's more sanitary. But dusting, I use this really everywhere I use it, and it grabs on stuff so much. Like, this is the ultimate hair grabber. If you shed like me, you need this, especially in your bathroom, because it will soak up not soak up, but it'll grab all of the hair. And then just a little tip on this one is that if you get microfiber cloths, you do not want to wash them with other types of fabric. They will just stick to the fabric and it gets really annoying. So what I do is I have a basket in my laundry room, and whenever they are dirty, I'll just throw it into that basket, and then once the basket gets full, I'll just throw them into the washing machine. And since I got like the pack of 25, I always have enough. So those are my main cleaning essentials. I think if I come back on here and add another one, then you know. But those are the things that I use all over my entire apartment. Next up, we have the kitchen. So the main cleaning essentials for your kitchen are countertop spray, dish soap, something to clean your sink/stove off with, dish sponges, dishwasher cleaning products, if you have a dishwasher, obviously, and then stainless steel cleaner. Again, that's if you have any stainless steel products. So I'm gonna kind of be jumping around my kitchen to find these different products because they're all put away. But for the kitchen, these are the kitchen essentials that I personally use. So first up, we have Method Heavy Duty Degreaser, and this is by far the best countertop spray that I've been able to find. I just get it from Target, and it does an amazing job. I've tried a lot of countertop sprays that are just iffy, and this one is the one that I really, really like. And then I try to clean my counters daily if I'm like on top of things. But that is what I use for my countertop cleaner, and I highly recommend. All right, up next we have dish soap. So this is another Method product, and I love this Method dish soap bottle, but then I actually refill it with Dawn soap, so it's a little dirty right now because I got not spray paint, what did I get on it? I got stain all over it. So I like this soap because of how the bottle looks, and I keep it on my sink, so I want it to look nice, but like I said before, I just fill it with Dawn soap to be cheaper. Then to clean my sink, stove, and anything else that needs a really good scrubbing, I love using SOS pads. I just buy them in a pack of stuff. So this is what SOS pads look like. They just are like metal, and they have a metal like scraper. By the way, I'm grabbing this all from my sink, under my sink. If you want to see my under the sink organization video, I'll like put a video link so you can click it right here. But it's awesome, and I keep everything there. So these do an amazing job at cleaning the grates on your stove, your stainless steel sink. They just do a great job in general. Okay, next up we have dish sponges. I love these dish sponges. They come from HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. They're like $3 for a set of 4. They are the best things ever. So I keep a stash of them at all times, just to kind of cycle through. So here's what like a clean one looks like. And then to clean it, I'll just stick it in my dishwasher, and it like disinfects it from the hot water, and then it also makes it clean again. So these are like the absolute best. I'll insert a picture of what the packaging looks like because I like always talk about it on my Instagram stories. They're just really awesome. Speaking of Instagram stories, if you want cleaning tips and like apartment organization and decorating, follow me on Instagram at @BlackSophiaLee. And then we have dishwasher stuff. So this is if you have a dishwasher, you are going to need obviously dishwasher pods or detergent. I had a dishwasher guy come in here, and he said it is so much better and cheaper for you to use the dish detergent, like not the pods, which I didn't know that, so I bought the pods. And I just buy I don't even know which ones they buy. I don't know which ones I buy. I buy them from Costco, so that's what I use. But once I run out of these, I am gonna get the actual like crystals instead of these pods, because apparently it just does such a better job cleaning your dishes. And then this is something that I never knew you needed, and that is this Jet Dry. So it's a rinse aid, and I just buy this at Target. You can buy it literally anywhere, grocery stores, anywhere will have it. And you put this in your dishwasher and it will stop those water stains or those like milky circles from coming on your dishes that make your dishes look dirty even though you know they just went through the cycle. So that's what I use, and this is like super cheap. That's like $2. And then lastly, for cleaning my stainless steel in my apartment, I just spit if you saw it. I use this Weiman stainless steel cleaner and polish. This is the best stainless steel cleaner you'll find. My mom used it. I know so many people who use it. I love it. I follow cleaning Instagram accounts that like are professional cleaners. They use this. This is just really good stuff. Target as well. So that's what I use to clean my kitchen. Now we are in my very undecorated, boring laundry room, but I'm grateful to have a laundry room because I know a lot of apartments don't have it. But anyways, now we're gonna be talking about laundry cleaning essentials. So I am super passionate about what I clean my clothes, sheets, towels, and anything else that makes me smell good or my home smell good. So I obsess over these laundry products. Like, these are the laundry products that are the best of the best. So I do have unnecessary items that wouldn't be considered a cleaning essential, but I have things that you have to have and they are so good. But the things that like you do actually have to have is laundry detergent, whether that be pod form, liquid, or crystals, and then really everything else is extra. So for the extra laundry cleaning essentials that well, first actually, I just get the Kirkland pods. I have a Costco membership, so these are the cheapest and they work. I don't really know the difference about them or between them, but this is my first must-have. So this is the Downy Infusions fabric softener, and it smells like actual heaven. Like, if I imagine what heaven would smell like, it would be this bottle. So I've only tried the lavender and vanilla, but I know that they also have other flavors. And then I also use, and that's a fabric softener if I didn't say. I also use these, which are scent boosters, and they also smell really good. If I had to choose like which one to use, it would be this though. Buy this. It's from Target or whatever grocery store. It is so, so good. So then we have, okay, these are like magical. I didn't know about these until 6 months ago. And these are Shout color catchers. So for Shout color catchers, what they do is they basically catch color that comes off of your clothes. For example, if your sheets are white and you had a red sock that accidentally got in your sheets, you go to wash them and all your sheets are ruined because of the red sock. This little guy would get all of that red and catch it in here so that your sheets aren't ruined. I just feel like if you're like in college or you're not lazy but don't separate your clothes, and then this is awesome and kind of just gives you peace of mind. I'll put a before and after of the difference between a clean one of these and a dirty. It's actually crazy to see how much color comes off of your clothes. So I just get this from Target. This is a little pricier. I would say it's $10 for this, and it comes with 72 sheets. So I guess that's up to you. And then this is by far my favorite stain remover. I self-tan all the time, and I self-tan at night, so then I sleep in my sheets, and I have white sheets, and they always get tanner stains on it. On like the big stains, I'll spray this on, and it always gets it off. My sheets look brand new. So this is just the best. It's the OxiClean Laundry Stain Remover, and this is also from Target. Literally everything's from Target, but I'm sure you could get stuff on Amazon, Walmart, grocery store, really anywhere. And then let me see, is there anything else in here? I use fabric softener sheets just because I'm like insane about making my clothes smell good, but definitely not necessary if you're using all your other things. So that's all that I have for my laundry essentials, but all of those things, like I test out laundry essentials because I'm so wacko about my clothes smelling good, so all of those are like amazing. Highly recommend that you buy them on your next trip to the grocery store, wherever you want to go. All right, now we have random other cleaning supplies that I love, and these were all, like what I showed you before, were all the cleaning essentials you need, But these next few products I'm about to tell you about are amazing, and I couldn't make a cleaning products video without including them. So they're definitely not essentials, but they are so nice to have on hand, and they are the best of the best. So first up, we have Magic Erasers. You guys, these are seriously magic. They can get any mark out of the wall, and really, I'm convinced that they can get a mark out of anything. They're amazing. I buy a value pack of them and just keep them on hand. They're under my kitchen sink. I could go get them, but I'm just being lazy. But they are so good, and everywhere sells them now. They're like pretty standard. Second, we have this Folex carpet cleaner. Okay, this is hands down the best carpet stain remover you will find. You can get it from Amazon or Home Depot, and I originally got it for my white couch, but I use it on everything, and knock on wood, I haven't actually had to use it on my white couch, but I use it on everything else, like rugs, carpet, other furniture. It is the best to have on hand just in case. It can get out anything, like if this says wine, pet accidents, grease, I don't know. It's just seriously amazing. I thought there would be more products that I swear by, but those are the two random ones that are just like so good. So that wraps up this video where I showed you all the cleaning essentials you will need in your apartment, plus some of my other favorite cleaning products out there that are just really good. And is it like normal to get this excited about cleaning products? I feel like if you're watching this video, you would definitely maybe relate to my level of excitement for cleaning products. I know I'm like a 55-year-old mother, but anyways, if you want to see more cleaning tips and organization hacks and how I organize my apartment and how I decorate my apartment, make sure to follow me on Instagram at @BySophiaLee and subscribe to my channel.